Hi everyone, this is how to hard reset TP-Link Archer AX72, and this topic goes way beyond just pressing a button on your router. Stick around till the end of this video and you'll be a power user by the time you're done. Let's get started. Well, if you've forgotten your administrator password of your device or just for some reason need a fresh start, of course you can turn the router so the back panel faces you, find the reset button, take a paper clip and press this button for 10 seconds until this power signal starts blinking, and release the button. The router will be reset and you can set up it from scratch. But some users use hard reset just to fix some problems with the router, and in this case I recommend you to follow my lead. The best practice to save your time and keep yourself fancy is creating the backups of your router settings, especially if you have lots of settings in your router like VPN, parental controls, and so on. After hard reset, you have to set up everything from scratch. And to avoid this, you can create a backup file. Let me show you from scratch how to get here. So let's close this tab. Now, what you need to stay connected to your TP-Link router's network, then open a web browser. And in the search bar, type in this IP address. This is the default IP address of any TP-Link router if you haven't changed it yourself. So type this value in the search bar, hit enter on your keyboard, and it takes you to login page. If you know your admin password, you can type it in and go to the web interface. Now you need to click on Advanced and scroll down to System over here. Click on System, now find Backup and Restore, this menu, and just create a backup file. It automatically downloads backup file to your downloads folder, so save it somewhere to a safe place. And after you set up your router from scratch, creating a Wi-Fi network and so on, go back to this menu using this IP address, and then find Restore in the same menu, browse for your file, select it, and click on Restore. And you're all set. You don't have to set up anything from scratch. Your settings will be restored from this file. Also, you have two options from here. You can factory reset or restore everything to default values except your login and cloud account information. In other words, it will keep your administrator password. That's pretty it. If that was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, leave a comment below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome and bye guys.